Hi guys, I'm having an initial look at converting this, I think it's a Maybach, I don't know how to pronounce it, Zeppelin, German car. I think they were precursors to the BMWs, although I don't know about this particular one. Anyway, I'm having an initial look at the possibility of converting it to radio control. It's not a lot of space, it's a small scale. I've got this ordinary toy grade front end that's about the right size. Might do the job. This one had screw-in wheels. Screws go in there. And this is the existing plastic front wheel. The trim pops out, so we can actually look at that. So we could possibly cut that down and fit it on the end there. It wouldn't be very rigid. Because we'd have to cut most of that away. So it could fit it on there. I'm not sure about that. It would be nice to use that because it's, as I say, it's about the right width to go across there. Fits nicely. Whereas this one that I was looking at the other day is a bit narrow. Which again isn't a big problem. We could just cut it apart and just use those pivot points. So not sure. And then the back end, again these wheels are just a bit bigger than the ones on this toy. So I'm not sure. I could use plastic wheels. I mean, I'm not looking to make this a racer. I'd just like to have it radio controlled so we can drive it around. So I could, I would think, get the wheels off these shafts and possibly use that shaft on that gearbox so we get the right width, the right wheelbase. So that's just an initial thought, just let you know the way I'm going with it at the moment. This might take a little bit longer than it should do, just because they don't quite naturally match. They're just the wrong sizes. Then of course we could just jump straight to the silly version, the big wheel version. What's your problem? I'll come out. You could just do a cut and shut on this one, chop the front across there and stretch it. And then it would fit. Looks like that piece will come out quite easily. That'd certainly be the easier option. Just cut straight through the middle there and stretch that, and then it'll fit. That does look pretty cool with those silly big wheels on it, doesn't it? Might have to just trim the bodywork a little bit to clear it, or leave it up like that. And as I say, just extend the front a bit to give us the... Yeah, you're going to have to extend that quite a bit to give us the right wheelbase. Yeah, I think that's the option. Chop this down here, cut and shut, old style. Shift it forwards. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.